Today's showcase a number of different projects, from the very large organisations like leisure trusts and housing associations, right down to local run volunteer groups. Within that there's a number of different issues, but the common theme is partnership working with the local authority, working with those people who can support you out in the community and actually making things happen. So there's been a common theme of partnerships right throughout the day. For residents, RCT Together means an honest and open dialogue of how we're going to deliver services going forward. We know our budgets are reducing, however we will be keen to work with them to look at how we can protect services wherever possible.
I think the way to do it is pull those groups in, work and listen to what they got as well about the ways you can run it. So if we have to transfer something over, we work with them doing it, so you maintain it. So that's why it's really important that we get you people on board, you feed in your ideas, and we have a two-way conversation.
The next stages of RCT Together is working with communities to listen to their ideas, but also for us as an authority to highlight some key opportunities for organisations in the voluntary sector. So it's that two-way process of ideas coming forward and us putting ideas out there into the community as well. For more information about RCT Together, visit rctcbc.gov.uk or look at our Facebook page or follow us on Twitter.